This is a beautiful 8-pack of solar lights for outdoor use. They look like beautiful flickering flame torches, light sensitive. Here they come on. They are waterproof and you can put them anywhere you want to create some beautiful lighting. Create a decoration, flame light for the garden pathway that comes on automatically, powered by the sun. Anywhere around the house you want. They are easily installed. There's no screws or wiring. You just poke in the ABS spike into the ground and then just attach the extension, put the polar torch on top, and you're ready to go. There's 33 LEDs that create that beautiful flame flickering light. Just on off switch here, and there you go. They come on without the light. Beautiful for a romantic occasion, outdoor, by the beach, anywhere you want. Create a magical atmosphere.